Welcome to Hobby Electro Lab. In this comprehensive DIY electronics project, we delve into the fascinating realm of time delay relay circuits. Join us as we explore the intricacies of creating a versatile circuit using the 555 timer IC. In my old video, I have made this project on the breadboard, but this time I will show you how to assemble it on the Veroboard. This is a more practical way of doing the project. Enabling precise timing for diverse electronics, this circuit finds applications in both domestic and industrial settings, ensuring efficient automation and control. Download detailed diagrams for this project from the provided link. You'll find comprehensive information on how the components are installed on the breadboard, along with the complete circuit diagram. After installing all the components, double-check the connections to ensure everything is in place. Once verified, proceed to connect the 12-volt power supply to the circuit. While the timer is initially set to adjust time from 3 seconds to 2 minutes, it is possible to extend the duration up to 1 hour by altering the values of VR1 and C1 in the circuit. To create a timer ranging from 1 second up to 1 hour, you will need to adjust the values of VR1 and C1. The details for time calculation are provided in the description. Arrange all components as per the diagrams provided in the link. You can also find these diagrams demonstrated in the video. If you are interested in knowing the latest price or wish to purchase the timer IC, Veroboard, and the complete timer module, you can visit my affiliate link in the description. Enjoyed this content? Don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.